Introducing TELLO ZET, your all-season air circulator for a comfortable home. TELLO ZET is an innovative air circulator that purifies and circulates air, creating a fresh new environment. TELLO ZET's standout feature is its powerful dual fan setup, where it is designed to intake and release air. TELLO ZET employs the dual fan principle technology inspired by aircraft jet engines for a powerful air circulation. With a maximum airflow up to 20 meters, it quickly ventilates indoor spaces, leaving only fresh, clean air. Its 3D rotation covers a wide area, ensuring thorough air control. With simultaneous vertical and horizontal rotation, it reaches every corner, providing a wider and speedy air circulation. TELLO ZET is suitable for year-round use, regardless of the season. When used with devices like air conditioners, heaters, or air purifiers, it enhances the air circulation, providing support in cooling or heating. By facilitating continuous air circulation, it ensures a consistent, comfortable spaces at all times. With an ultra-efficient 24 watts power savings, you can use it all month, worry-free about your electricity bill. Mode 1 and Mode 2 allow you to enjoy a powerful yet quiet airflow. Its safe and simple design fits seamlessly into any environment, brightening up your space. Your all-season air circulator, TELLO ZET.